Hi guys, this is Professor J. This is a video to explain a little bit more about your listening test. So the listening test will be on LMS, and very important, you must take the listening test during our normal class time. So if your class is Monday at 9 o'clock, you should take the test Monday at 9 o'clock or Monday at 9:10. You can't take the test after 1 hour, okay? So please take the listening test next week in our normal class time. The listening test, usually we meet together in the A2 building, and on the speaker they will play the listening file so students can hear the question and use the pencil to make a multiple choice answer. The listening test is 30 minutes. So in your LMS test, you can click play to play the listening question one by one. The order is random for the questions, so all students will have a different order, so the students can't cheat easily. So this means you must click play to listen to the question. Now, you can click play again and again to listen, but don't click play more than one time. Very important. Do not play the listening question more than one time. Why? Because your test time is only 30 minutes. On LMS, the exam time has a time limit. Okay? There is a time limit on the test. So I will show you this now. It's very important. Let me go to LMS and show you. We'll just go Monday's class, and here is your exam, and here is your listening test. Okay, so you can see here is the listening test for Monday. The exam period is 9 a.m. until 10:45. So if you take your test at 10:30, you only have 15 minutes and you can't answer all the questions. Take your test at 9 o'clock or maybe 9:10, 9:15. Don't wait until 10 o'clock or 10:15. Okay? So there is only a short time you can take the test. The exam time is 30 minutes. So when you click start, you have 30 minutes until the test closes and says no more time. So if you play the listening file more than one time, you will not have enough time to finish the test. Okay? All of the questions will take time. You must listen to the conversations. So if you listen more than one time, you will not have enough time to finish the test. If you don't answer the questions, they are wrong. So if you don't finish the test, they are wrong. You have enough time to finish the test if you click play for all the questions one time. Okay? If you click play more than one time, you will not have enough time. So please only listen to each question one time and listen very carefully. Okay? So after you answer all the questions, the test is 20 points and there is 1 point for each question. So you will have a kind of hard test. This test is a little bit difficult. You can only listen to the conversation one time. It is multiple choice. So there are 2 kinds of questions. There are 8 questions that say, choose the best response. Choose the best response. What does this mean? So a response. What is a response? when I say something, what should you say next? Like if I say, hello, what do you say? Oh, hello, hello, oh, hello, teacher. So the response is, what do I say next? So in English, a common response, I say, thank you, and you should say, you're welcome. So the response is, you're welcome. What is the response? What should you say next? So if I say, choose the best response. What clothes do you like? A, I don't like flying. B, I like t-shirts. C, dogs are the best animal. Okay, so choose the best response. It's B, I like t-shirts. It's like this, okay? So choose the best response questions have 3 answers, A, B, or C. And you will hear the answers. You can't read them. So when I say choose the best response, you will listen to the responses, and in the LMS you will see A, B, C, D. So you should just listen and choose A, B, or C. You can't read the responses. You listen. The other kind of question is a conversation question. So when you listen to the conversation questions, it will say, listen to the conversation, then answer the question. So you will listen to people talking, and then you will read the question. For example, what is true about the conversation? A, Tom likes peanuts. B, Tom doesn't like peanuts. C, Tom likes peanut butter. D, Tom likes jam. And the conversation will be like, oh, hi, Tom. Oh, hi, Jamie. Do you like sandwiches? Well, kind of. I like sandwiches sometimes. What's your favorite kind of sandwich? Oh, I like jam sandwiches. What? Do you mean peanut butter and jam? No, I mean jam sandwiches. I don't like peanut butter. What? That's crazy. Do you not like peanuts? No, I like peanuts, but I really like jam. Okay, so you will listen to a conversation and then you will read the question and you have to click A, B, C, or D, the multiple choice question for the test. Okay, so as I said, the conversation questions and the choose the best response questions, if you click play to listen to all of the questions one time, you will have enough time to finish the test. But if you play the conversations or play the listening file more than one time, you will not have enough time to finish the test. So please be careful about how much time you use to answer the questions. You only have 30 minutes for the whole test. And there are 20 questions. So you can't play the listening files more than one time. Okay? So, I think that you can find the LMS test. It is where you took your chapter review quizzes. So this is where you will see the LMS exam for your listening test. And remember, the test is really hard. It's supposed to be really hard. And just do your best. If you get a terrible score on the listening test, I can help you. I am the professor, so I will see all of the students' tests, and usually the test is really hard. So I have to give some bonus points to the students because many students don't do well. So don't worry if you see your score is like, 15 or 5 or 10 and you think, oh, I failed the test. Oh my God. Don't worry too much about your score right now. I will look at the test answers and I will look at all of the students' scores. And if all the students have very low scores, I will make the test more high. But I can't have everybody get 100% because I have to have a grade curve. So the test is very difficult. Okay? So just do your best, answer the questions as best you can, and then don't worry about it, and work on your group presentations. Okay? So thank you guys very much for listening and watching about the listening test. And if you have more questions, please talk to me on Kakao, ask Q&A on LMS, or send me a message in the LMS. But please talk to me somehow if you have more questions. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.